Hey, what's up my people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Steve the hairstylist. So in today's video we are doing artificial dreadlocks. So this is the hair before. Watch the video. And this is the artificial. I hope you can see. So watch the video till the end and see the final results. So guys, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I'm always grateful for that. So watch the video till the end, and if you are new here, kindly consider subscribing at Steve the hairstylist. So in this channel I always show you how to do hair. Basically it has a lot of hairstyles, starting with dreadlocks, hair curling, hair relaxing, sister locks, all those services. So if you find yourself free, maybe you can watch some for anything to do with hair. So watch the video till the end and see the final result. Artificial dreadlocks. So that's how we go about it. So we are inserting the hair that we have already plaited the matuta or small knots. Okay, it's not a hard task when you love it. It's very easy. So that's how we go about it. Artificial dreadlocks. So watch the video and see the final results. Artificial dreadlocks. So we are done with that one. So we go to the next. We insert our crochet, then we put it there, then we pull to that level, and then we begin inserting it inside the artificial for them to look natural. So that's how we go about it, retro by retro, until we are done. Yeah, like that. So we are inserting our hair inside the artificial dreadlock. Watch the video and you will see the final results of artificial dreadlocks. So I want to say thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. By doing that, you are supporting Steve. Thank you so much for your support. So far so good. So you pull it until you finish that hair. You finish putting it inside the artificial. So that's, she had a long hair, so that's why we are taking quite some time to finish it, but at last we emerge the winner. Like that, like that. So we are almost done with the second artificial. Almost done. And there we go, like that. So we continue with the same process until we are done. So we are almost done. Hope you can see. We are only left with very few remaining. So watch the video till the end and see the final results. So after this, after we are done, we are going to wash our hair. Then we twist like the normal dreadlocks. So watch the video and you will see the final results. So we are done fixing the artificial. Now the next step is to wash our hair. Then we twist them like the way we normally twist the normal artificial dreadlocks. So that's our hair after you have done. I hope you can see. So we wash our hair, then we twist them. So we have already washed our hair. Now we are twisting them clockwise like the normal dreadlocks. So we always began by applying our oil or molding gel. We twist them clockwise like that until we are done. We continue with the same process until you are done like that. You comb to spread the molding gel, then you twist them. So watch the video till the end and see the final results. Artificial dreadlocks installing. So we are done retwisting. That's our hair after artificial dreadlocks. That's our hair after. So thank you so much guys for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.